guys, let's detangle and transform this hair from this to this. Like, look at this, guys, so perfect, right? Hello lovers of Bookie Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you check out my other video on how I detangle this hair and transform it to this before getting into the styling process, which I'll be doing on this video. So please make sure you like and you subscribe, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Now let's get into it. So first we're going to style this frontal. So I'm going to apply my heat protector and then my wax stick, and I'm going to make sure I hot comb it the perfect way, that is using the iron to hot comb and not the comb itself, because that's what does the work. So we're going to make sure we slick everything back so we can properly protect our lace and pin it down before we begin our styling process. So guys, after I'm done, I'm going to use my lace, my elastic band, to protect my lace before I pin it down. Guys, for the reason why I'm using this particular pin is because this particular mannequin head or canvas head will not take the other pins that I use, that cushion pins. It just won't take it, like it's going to break, it's too strong for it. So I'm forced to use this particular one. So that's by the way. So I'm just going to be freestyling. That's what you're going to notice. I'm going to start with one style and end up with another at the end of the video. So I was just freestyling, but I wanted a pony, a little pony up and anything on the sides. So I'm just going to section the hair I want to use for the pony up. So after doing that, I'm going to apply my holding spray and I'm going to brush it down. Just kind of hold it in place and give it that clean look. And here's what it's looking like after I tie it down. So guys, I initially went with this tie, but then I eventually took it out because I wasn't feeling it at all. So now let's get into the coiling process. So first you apply a heat protector, which is very important. And since the strands of this hair was very healthy, I just went in with my heat protector and hair serum. So I just massage it into the hair. So after doing it, I'm going to go ahead to section my hair. I'm going to comb it out. Just going to keep that other space of hair out of the way. And I'm going to begin my coiling process. So I have a separate video on how to coil, but you can always let me know in the comment section if you need any more tips. So I think you can just see for yourself how I'm doing the coiling. So after that, I'm going to hold this in place for some seconds or until I feel like the heat has penetrated through the hair. Then I'm going to release it and I'm going to hold it with my pin. This is going to help my coils to last longer. So that's why I'm using this technique. So I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste any of your time. So depending on the size that you want, you're going to section, and the size of your coiler as well, because you don't want bigger sections when you're using a smaller coiler. It's going to make your coils not to come out so perfect the way you want it, and it's going to make your coils so the heat is not going to penetrate the coil, the hair, to give that perfect coils. So sectioning your hair based on the size of your coiler is very important to achieve the best coils. So I'm just going to repeat the process over, and I'm almost done. So I'm just pinning it in place, and I'm going to undo this when I'm done with it here. That way the coils can last longer. So guys, like I said previously, I eventually switched up the style. So here's what it's looking like before I unravel the coils. So I'm going to spray my holding spray just to keep it intact, and I'm going to let it sit for like 15 to 20 minutes. So you can let it sit longer depending on when you want to use it, or shorter, or depending on the type of coils you want. I'm going to leave this as a bouncy wig, so I wasn't combing it out. So now I'm going to unravel the coils. So when I take out the pin, I'm going to spray my holding spray. That way it stays in place. And then I'm going to repeat the process for the rest of the hairs. So I unravel, I spray my holding spray. So I'm going to speed this up because we don't have all day literally. So basically I'm just repeating the same process and I'm done. So I'm going to use my hot comb, just kind of slick it down. Yeah. So I just want to give it that nice flat look. So yeah. So guys, I was done, and look at those coils, like so perfect. So this is a close up. So yeah. Guys, thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and you subscribe. Make sure you also turn on the notifications so you'll be informed of all my videos. I post amazing tutorials, so make sure you check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.